look at the back. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, they didn't even fill the bucket.
Go!
Filling up with the sand.
Keep on going, brother.
So to carry, they don't give you a cap.
What's your reality though? What we're doing?
Can you do this real quick? I'm gonna wash off the phone.
I gotta give one more go. Oh, he got it.
Oh, he got it.
If he, as long as he isn't silly. That's gonna make me really sad. Like, Jason is civil, George is civil. No, Jason and Jason are civil. Is he doing civil? I don't know. Hopefully not.
It's alright, man.
That's for a long time.
I know.
Yeah, like that cuts off. Huge. Is that all? Okay. All of them then. Now, coconuts that were tripping out.
Flip it aside, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm starting lap number 2. They're starting lap number 1. This is again with all these potholes. Didn't get this in the beginning. Okay, so this is the scenery. Some people coming up. So I get out of their way. But it looks flat, but it's not. It's quite soft and cushiony. There's a lot of ankle breakers. Keep the pace walking. On the trail, big old sticks, coconuts. That's all it is. Coconuts, tripping hazards. And when it gets flat, it does get flat sometimes. That's when you want to pick up the pace. And then seeing what's around the corner. And then you're just following the white tape throughout the whole race. And this is what you're running and walking on pretty much throughout the whole thing. So sure, it might be flat, but there's so many like small hills and dips because of the mud and holes, and the ground isn't very soft and isn't very hard because of the rain, and just the land more slippery and muddy. Okay, and turn off the road. Don't know if you can see it in the video now, raining. Might be able to see the rain more now. It's coming down a little bit harder. Yeah, wait for, nope, that car is not coming, so go straight. I'm going back to the car. So after the fire jump, finish getting shirt. Did 2 laps, whatever that entails. I gotta check Strava. Did a lot more miles. Set new obstacles. So penalty loops.